he said right over the door in here. So, oh yeah, the gutters over here are in the same situation. And if you look at your gutters, they're probably pretty much the same way. They just rotted off. So that's getting really close to inside of your house when they start rotting off, because they will leak right down the walls. Yeah. Now this one here, we cut it. You wouldn't believe what it looked like before we got here, but yeah, there's something going on here. It's been getting done for quite a while. I do remember something here. We were here before. I'm not sure if that's a hole or not.
Why do you do that for?
Huh?
Why do you do that for?
I don't know. I'm thinking this is, we covered this. See, somebody had put that silver coat on it.
Oh, okay, okay.
It was silver coated before. And somebody's been trying to fix this spot right here because they've had this issue. So, I mean, they got trees hitting this thing all over the place. Look at that big dent back there.
Yeah.
Big old dent right there. Bad
He
one.
said center of the door there, right?
Yeah, we got the key. So, the seam, look bad? That is the seam. I know, these seams are...
This week. This week right here.
I know it.
This versus.
Well, let's take a look on the inside, Paul. Yeah, that stain here has been there for a long time. That didn't happen last week. Yeah, I see it down there. Yeah. So this is not the first time this thing has leaked. I think he's got a lot of problems. You can hear the floor. What? Leak down there? Oh yeah. Yeah, I know. This whole edge is rotted. I mean, literally is rotted off, and all on the edges because of no gutters, and it's rotted. This has been going on for a long time, Paul. Yeah. The gutters are rotted off. He needs to fix that immediately. He needs a new roof on this thing. Look, you can tell it's been getting wetter. Look at that. It's stained.
Right here.
Yeah, it's all over the place. He needs a roof on this really bad because that's all been getting wet. And look over the door.
Yeah.
See that? I don't know who built this door in.
You got one coming in the back of the bedroom too.
A hole?
Yeah.
Leak?
Yeah.
This hallway floor is bad too. Yeah, got leaks back here. This floor is bad right under my feet.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Right here.
This whole house needs to be redone.
That one spot.
Where?
Clorox.
Oh yeah, yep. Oh yeah.
That's a Clorox spot.
That's Clorox. Yeah.
You hear that?
Yeah. So.
Hide the spot.
Yeah. So they've got a lot of problems. The floor is throughout, from
Yeah.
what I'm feeling.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah. It's rotted. Don't know what's under this linoleum. I'm guessing.
You know something I know you. That particle board.
I can't tell it what's right there. Can't tell. I think they might have did some work in this hall,
Right.
but it's still leaking around that door.
Probably put plywood down.
They put plywood down there. Yeah, they've been having issues for a long time.
Oh, yeah. How about spider webs?
Don't worry about that. Yeah, unfortunately, they need a roof badly, but they need their floors fixed too. Yeah, need the floors fixed. 'Cause,
Fix the walls first.
yeah.
Don't fix the walls, you can do no.
Yeah, I know, but it's a lot of money.
The roof.
They're gonna have a lot of money invested in this.
You don't fix the roof. You can't.
Look at that. You can tell it's been getting wet
Yeah, I see it.
all the way down through there. The whole entire edge right there. It's been getting wet for probably quite some time. I mean, look at that. You can literally see it in the trim board. The colors of it, where the water made the grains stand out like that. So, yeah. So they've been having issues here for a long time. And problem is trying to repair something like this. You have to do the floors, but you also need to do the roof. So, for the cost of all that, I'm not sure which way you'd want to go. You can hear these floors are bad.
Running down.
Oh, it's running right in the window. Yep, running right down to the tub. At least it's going in the tub.
Yeah, right. Broke each other.
Oh, the wall's messed up.
Yeah. Yeah, wall's gone.
Oh, that wall is messed up. Oh my goodness. Yeah, well, that's the problem with leaks, man.
No overhang.
Goodness gracious.
No overhang.
Huh?
No overhang.
Yeah, no overhang, nothing. Their gutter's gone, Paul.
No overhang.
It's been leaking right here at the door. Water's just going this way, and that leak right there is very old.
I say that, but it's coming this way.
Come what way?
That water spot here.
No. So what's coming this way?
That water spot's coming this way.
You think?
Yeah. Well, coming up underneath the door.
Yeah, I think the door's
That's
leaking.
back there on top.
Yeah, that's stupid. Yeah, so, yeah, that's old. Same. Oh, my word. Yeah, that's always a problem.